Well, we got a nice warm day out here, and I got my gaskets in today. I went with the expensive ones. There's the part number. I just want to do it one time. I don't want to do it 2 years from now. I don't want to do it. I just put the good ones on and forget about it. And that baby will be off, and I'm going to be chasing that code and get this car out for a drive. This winter, I did not get anything else done. It's terrible. The only other thing I got done was these emergency clip release. So it was too cold, but I got my signs up, and got a few more to go up. Shop is looking good. So let's get the cars out. Let's have some fun. We've been locked up long enough. And I put the snowblower away, but I don't want to jinx myself. You just don't want to be doing stuff like that in March. Same with the tractor. Grandpa's pad when grandma's mad. Catch you later.